Present simple. Listen and repeat.
Where do you live? I live in Barcelona. How does Michael get to work? He drives to work. How old are you? I'm 23. Where is my cell phone? I think I saw it on the table. Where does Thomas study? Thomas studies English at college. Where does her friend live? Her friend lives in London. When does his brother always get up? His brother always gets up at 6 o'clock in the morning. How does Mr. Brown go to work? Mr. Brown goes to work by bus. What does Richard do? Richard is a teacher. He teaches English.
Present continuous. What are you doing right now?
I am cooking dinner.
Where are you going today?
I am going to the park.
Who are you talking to?
I am talking to my sister.
How is your day going so far?
My day is going well, thanks for asking.
Why are you wearing that?
I am wearing this shirt because it is my favorite.
What is he doing right now?
He is playing soccer.
Where is she going today?
She is going to the mall.
Who is he talking to?
He is talking to his girlfriend.
Where is he working?
He's working at the office.
Why is she wearing that?
She is wearing that dress because it is new.
Is he watching TV right now?
No, he is outside playing with his friends.
Is she eating breakfast?
Yes, she is having a bowl of oatmeal.
Are they having a conversation?
Yes, they are discussing their plans for the weekend. Present perfect, listen and repeat. Do you know how to write reports? Yes. I've written reports for many years. Do you know how to drive trucks? Yes. I've driven trucks for many years. I'm going to go on a cruise tomorrow. I'm jealous. I've never gone on a cruise. Have you ever gone scuba diving? Yes, I have. I went scuba diving last year. Have you ever taken a first aid course? Yes, I have. I took a first aid course last year. Have you ever been in the hospital? Yes, I have. I was in the hospital last year. Has Tom gone to the bank yet? Yes, he has. He went to the bank a little while ago. Has George met the new boss yet? Yes, he has. He met the new boss a little while ago.
Present perfect continuous. Listen and repeat.
How long have you been learning French?
I've been learning French for 3 years.
Your eyes are red. Have you been crying?
No, I've been cutting onions.
How long has it been raining?
It's been raining since lunchtime.
How long have you been waiting?
I've been waiting for half an hour.
How long has Nick been working here?
He's been working here since April. How long have they been living with Mary's parents?
They have been living with Mary's parents for over 2 years.
How long was your flight?
12 hours. We've been traveling all day.
My brother has a very good job in New York City.
Really? How long has he been working there?
Sydney finally found a new apartment.
Oh, good. She's been looking for one for so long.
How's it been going?
It's been going okay. How long has your neighbor's dog been barking?
It's been barking since this morning.
You look tired. What have you been doing?
I've been cooking since 9 o'clock this morning.
You're late.
Sorry. Have you been waiting long?
Why does Eric's teacher want to see you?
He hasn't been doing his homework lately.
How long has Mark been working at this school?
He's been working at this school since he started teaching.